Hello and welcome to Boardgame Ninja. Today we are on a quest to catch the adorable Gu'Gu before it escapes through the portal. We are the gnomes and we get help from companions that we find in the wild to resolve quests and move forward. The aim is to move faster than Gu'Gu, but to do that you have to overcome portal problems and complete quests at the same time. This is going to be a challenge. You win if you catch Gu'Gu together, or lose when Gu'Gu gets to the portal first. Companion quest is for 1 to 4 players, takes between 20 and 30 minutes and is for gnomes of 10 years and older. Create the quest by stacking 4 stage cards labeled 1 to 4. There are multiple cards of each stage, you pick the ones that you like best. Place the hat on the first field. Draw 10 challenge cards and 2 danger cards. Danger cards are recognizable by the warning sign. Shuffle these together and divide them evenly between the challenge zones. Reveal the top card of each pile. Whenever you reveal a danger, then the quest is in jeopardy. Place the warning sign on the quest. You cannot advance the quest until the danger is overcome. Shuffle the companion deck and place 4 cards in a row. These are the cards that are available in the first round. Place the gnome in his house and Gu'Gu on the first space of the mischief meter. Divide the energy dice by their color and place them in their spaces. Place the snacks next to the board. Each player chooses a gnome. Each gnome has a magic ability that can be used once per game, a starter companion and 1 snack token. Determine who goes first and you are ready to begin. Gnomes are magical and can channel energy around them into energy dice. The available amount of energy is printed here, so you can start with 3 energy. Now choose your dice. Water, honey and apple dice cost 1 energy and the magic lava and mushrooms cost 2 energy. Sometimes special rules apply to a quest. Look at the box underneath the quest name. During this quest, all dice cost only 1 energy. Roll the dice and start solving quests and problems by placing them on the cards. Your goal during the quest is to move the hat to the portal field at the end of the dotted line. Along the way, there are several requirements. Each square requires a die with a certain value. During a turn, you can put down several dice in order. At the end of your turn, the hat travels to the last space with a die. All dice go back to their general supply. If the hat goes to the portal space, the quest is fulfilled. Turn the card over, follow the steps on the card and give each gnome their reward. Step 1 is that the gnome moves. Place the card on its space. From now on you get this amount of energy on your turn. A danger card stops you from placing cubes on a quest. To defeat a danger, you have to place dice with a value equal to or over the danger value on the card. Danger cards are part of the portal problems. These can be solved by placing dice on them. Solve problems show Gu'Gu down. If you have not solved any portal problems at the end of your turn, then Gu'Gu moves 1 step forward. If you have solved 1 problem, Gu'Gu does not move. And if you have solved 2 problems, Gu'Gu even moves 1 space back. Some problems require a specific dice or dice in a specific order. You can find the key to them on the back of the rulebook. The dice go back to the supply afterwards. Remove the solved card from play and turn over a new one. Be aware that the number of problems is very limited, and when they are gone, you have no way anymore to stop Gu'Gu from moving. Is there nothing that can help you? Of course there is! Each gnome has a starter companion, and you get more companions during the game. You can use the companion's ability by turning them sideways so they can take a rest. Just above their ability is the color of energy that you must play to reactivate them. You do not have to put the die on the companion. So when you play a blue die anywhere, this companion is turned upright again. Each energy can reactivate only 1 companion. You can tame a wild companion from the wilderness by spending a snack token. But a snack has more uses. By spending a snack, you can feed a resting companion and reactivate them. or you can eat it yourself and get an energy die of any color. You can also call upon your fellow gnomes to help you. Each gnome has an ability that helps another gnome. It can be used only once per game. When you have used all your energy cubes and Gu'Gu has moved or not, it is the next player's turn. If you have a die left at the end of your turn, you can give one to any gnome. They can roll it on their turn with the other dice they have chosen. Whenever you land on the same space as Gu'Gu, the game ends and you have won. If Gu'Gu ever lands on the portal space, it disappears and you have lost the game. The trick of the game lies in keeping Gu'Gu in your sight while steadily solving quests. If Gu'Gu runs to the 4th space, you will have to solve 4 quests before you can catch him. One last tip, do not be afraid to eat your snacks. And remember that a good companion that you rescued from the wilderness at the early stages can help you out for the rest of the game. We hope that you will enjoy Companion Quest. Please subscribe if you like this video and we hope to see you for the next one. Bye!